Yo, welcome back to another tutorial. As you probably know, my name is Navit and this is HyperPix. I'm back with another 3D style inspired by 80s design. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply this style to your text and to your logo without any knowledge in Photoshop. And with this template, you can save hours and you can get this text style in less than a couple of minutes. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get access to hundreds of text effects. Let me show you how this works. Okay, right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And in the new window, right click again and select Edit Content. In the new window, just double click on the text layer and type your own text. Keep this in mind that write the first and the ending letters in capital letters. Write this in capital letter. Write the middle letters in small letters and the ending letter in capital. Easy peasy. Okay, we can set the pattern wherever we want. From layer style, go to pattern overlay, and in the pattern drag in the empty space of the window so you can set the pattern where you want. Okay, it's good. Close the window and select yes. And in the new window, we have a subtle effect, as you can see. We can also edit it. For example, select Control T or Command T in Mac. You can control it. I just recommend you just skip this part. Close it again and select yes. And let's wait for the result to happen. And there it is. As you can see, our text is on 3D, as you can see here. I'm going to show you how these layers work so you can do anything you want. From extrusion, from the FX folder, disable it so we can hide the 3D design so we can have more speed in editing. Okay, select effects and drag it a little bit down. Okay, let's just start from the top. First folder is adjustments, which is the coloring and the contrast of our design. First folder, as you can see here, they're categorized. Select each of them and change the variables to get new results and new colors. Okay. Next folder is the vignette folder, which contains the inner shadow around our artwork. You can change the opacity like this, have more inner shadow, or double click on this part too so you can get the color for the inner shadow. Okay, we got noise on and noise off. As you can see, like most of our 80s design, we have this so we can get a nostalgic and retro look on our design. We have this noise on it. Okay, but you can remove it. Okay, for that, turn on the red layer, as you can see here. But keep this in mind that one of these two has to be on. If you turn it off, you make sure that you turned on the green one, and vice versa. Okay, we're done with the adjustments. Next one is sparkles folder. We got these sparkly things all around our design. You can see here, which is the reflection maker and gives a shiny look to our design. Make sure you putting them on the bright side of your design and your edges so you can resemble the light and the being shiny of your design. You can also press Alt and drag and duplicate them easily and quick. You can put them wherever you want. Okay. Next layer is our text. That we can, with double click, we can write our own text. For example, here it is. Next one is another text layer. We can disable it or write our own text. Okay. Highlights cool, as you can see here. This is subtle look. You can turn it off. Okay. Well, we got the FX folder here, which contains the structures and technical parts of our design. Just skip this one too, because it's a technical part. Alright. Next one is the triangle behind our design. You can disable it or enable it, or select Ctrl T and rotate it, just like this. Okay, finally we got the background folder, which is the glow and also this grid here and these mountains. Every single one of them are resizable or removable. Okay. And finally we got the stars. This is starry sky. Okay, let's get back to extrusion. Turn it on, and as you can see, we got our 3D look here. Easy peasy, right? And just look at these details. Amazing, isn't it? Let me show you how we can apply this to our logo. And I'm going to show you how easy it is actually. Okay, let's go to this new window and double click on this layer 2. Now I'm going to import my logo. I got the Audi logo here. There it is. I'm going to position in the middle. Now we want to copy this layer's style to this layer, paste it here, paste layer style. There it is. I'm going to remove the previous layer and double click on here. We can set the pattern. I'm going to position it in the middle of one of these two. We have a little problem with here because one of them are not going to get the pattern. For that, I'm going to split this in two. Select a rectangular marquee tool and select the upper part of our logo. Select Ctrl-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J in Mac and split this in two, as you can see here. Right? Now, let's double click on our effects layer and go to pattern overlay and drag on the empty space so we can have this in the middle of our design. Okay, do this again for this. Okay, I want this wave to be a little bit small, so I'm going to put the scale on 50. Good. Okay, so I'm going to close it and select yes. Okay, we got a scale here, as you can see here. I don't want it now. Okay, I don't want the transform to be like this, so okay, select these two layers and drag it into this window because we don't want the scale to be applied to this, as you can see here. Now I'm going to remove the previous layer. Easy. If you did not understand this part, actually go back again and watch this. I'm going to position it in the middle. I'm going to close the extra windows, and in this video I'm going to close it and select yes. Let's wait for the result to happen. Okay, as you can see, our style has been applied, but it's a little bit out of our design. Okay, I'm going to turn off extrusion, select effect folder and drag this up there, so there it is. Okay, I don't want this text. I'm going to disable it. Also disable this one too, and also the rectangular triangle, I'm sorry. I'm going to turn on the extrusion so you can see the result. There it is. Beautifully done, and apply it to our logo. Okay, all there is to do is put the sparkles where they should go. I'm going to turn off extrusion so we can have more speed. I want to position it on the lines. There it is. I'm gonna turn on extrusion finally. There it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's neat and beautiful. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text styles, and you can use them in your next projects. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this one.